First of all, I wanted to thank Madam Mamata Banerjee. I wanted to thank Madam Mamata Banerjee, Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal. I wanted to thank Rahul Gandhi for supporting my cause. I wanted to thank SRB, SR Balasubramaniam, AIDMK MP and former Union Minister. I wanted to thank Dhiran, AIDMK spokesperson. First of all, my heartfelt thanks to all of them who have supported me in this regard. I wanted to tell what has been found in my house. I wanted to tell what has been found in my house. I have got the Panchanamas with me. I will hand over to you. This is Panchanama. I will give you a copy. Don't drag me this copy. I will hand it over to you the Panchanama, what the Income Tax Department have found in this house. This is the Panchanama. This is the Panchanama. Now I will hand over the copy. I will give you the copy. There are two Panchanamas here. One is the Panchanama of whatever the cash, the gold, the diamonds, the documents and incriminating documents found in my house are here in this Panchanama about my house. And what are all the secret documents found in the Honorable Chief Secretary's office? That is also here. I will show you what are all the various departments. I was under house arrest by CRPF in this house. All of you have seen. I was under house arrest. The Chief Secretary of Tamil Nadu is a constitutional assault. It is a constitutional assault on the office of the Chief Secretary. I was Chief Secretary. I am the Chief Secretary. This government has no guts to serve me the copy of the transfer order to me. They have no guts to serve me the copy of the transfer order. Still I claim I am the Chief Secretary of Tamil Nadu, appointed by Purachit Talavi Amma, appointed by, sponsored by, nurtured by Honorable Madam, who is my departed leader. I am still the Chief Secretary of Tamil Nadu. They have not served me a copy of the, perhaps the present Chief Secretary, he may be made in charge, I don't know. And what did they find in my house? My CRPF was inside this room, all of you have recorded. CRPF have entered my room, entered my house. There are only my daughter and her daughter, my wife inside, and me. At 5:30 on 21st, 5:30 they knocked my doors. They showed me a warrant. They showed me a search warrant. My name is not there. In the search warrant, my name is not there. I asked the Income Tax Department, where is my name? My son has never lived in this house, even for a week, after his 9-year stint in Microsoft. He was MS in computer engineering. He worked in Microsoft. He returned and he never lived in this house even for a week. He lives separately from the day he came from US. This search warrant, there is no my name. They have not searched me. They have not searched my house. Right. What did they found? They found 1,12,000 rupees, 320 rupees. 1,12,000 12,000 rupees, 12,320 rupees in my house. And what gold they found? The gold on the person of my daughter, person of my wife, which is around 40 to 50 sovereigns of gold. How much silver they have found? The silver articles, God's articles, Lord Vinayaka, Lord Mahalakshmi, Lord Venkateswara, in the Madre, silver ornaments, silver articles, around 25 kilos. They have found that. And what documents they have found? They have found nothing. No incriminating note. You are talking secret chamber. That is the secret chamber. You can go and see. The secret chamber is up there. That is the store room. My used articles, various dresses, old mats, mattresses, etc. are there. And why did they go to the Chief Secretary's office? I was under arrest. And the search warrant is in my son's name. Vivek Papasetti, Chamber Pairga, Chief Secretary room. Vivek Papasetti, that is my son's name. Is he Chief Secretary? The search warrant, they have. I will give you a copy. I will give you a copy. What did they do? The search warrant is in my name, my son's name. They raided Chief Secretary's office in the office. Yeah, they should have called Home Secretary. Home Secretary was not there. He is in charge of police. The Honorable Chief Minister was present in this office. They have not asked I don't know whether they have asked the permission of the Honorable Chief Minister. Home Secretary is the custodian of the police. Public Department is the custodian of various government offices. And what is Chief Secretary's chamber? It is the secret of various chief ministers, their decisions, their orders, and confidential reports, criminal cases filed against ministers, criminal cases filed against IPS officers, criminal cases filed against IAS officers. What did they find? They found my MRC club membership, which I never visited. This is the file they brought me back. And I asked them, what did you find? They found MRC club bills. And I asked them, this is what we have found. And some loose sheets. As a Chief Secretary, many people give various representations to me. And all those things we just throw. I never acted upon those files. Is it not a constitutional violation? Is it not a constitutional assault? Where is the state government? What role the government of India or its departments of business to enter? If Honorable Madam was alive, anybody has got the guts to enter the Secretariat. CRPF enters the Secretariat. What guts they have got? It is the state government. It is the state elected by the people of Tamil Nadu. What business CRPF got into Chief Secretary's chamber? What business they have got? Whose permission they have got? Did they get the Honorable Chief Minister's permission to enter to my room? And what did they find? They find nothing. And they have searched my Chief Secretary's office in the search warrant of my son. Is my son a Chief Secretary? He is not.
Sir, you are saying all this, but
Wait.
the state government is keeping
Madam, I will answer all your questions, my dear friend. I am not a coward. I am trained by Madam, not one day. She has been training me since I was the collector of Chengalpattu MGR district since 1994. Yes. And 5.5 years she trained me. She positioned me as the chief secretary. If Madam was alive, if this is the condition and status of the chief secretary who has 32 years of service, and what happens to the ADMK workers? What happened to the state government servants? I am telling my IAS friends and the entire bureaucracy in the country, how can CRPF can enter anybody's house or office? If they wanted to search my house, they would have transferred me out and searched me. how much time it takes a chief minister to transfer a chief secretary? 2 minutes. Home Minister or somebody from Government of India could have talked to the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. We do not want this Chief Secretary. He is a terrorist, he is an extremist, he is a smuggler, he is this, he is that. We don't want this Chief Secretary. You please transfer him out and come to my house. What prevented the Income Tax Department and how many departments? I don't know. I was under arrest, house arrest for 26 hours. And I don't know how many people have entered my house. And why did they come to my house? For what purpose they have come to my house? What is that they wanted from me or from my office? These are all the questions I wanted to ask you. If Madam, Honorable Madam, who is now in Marina, has she been alive? Will this happen to this Tamil Nadu? What happens to the security of Tamil people? I have been serving under the instructions of Honorable Madam. You all know how did I do all the 6 months, 7 months, 75 days I was protecting Madam's health. After her death, you know how did we manage the funeral? You know how did I manage Varda cyclone? All is evidence. It's evidence. Then what they wanted is to attack the office of the Chief Secretary. Enna sadidi? Will it end at this? These are the people who should know. People should know there is no security. Anybody can enter anybody's house. Any CRPF can come, CISF can come, military can come. They can do anything they want in Tamil Nadu. This is the condition of the. They could have transferred me out, and within half an hour they could have done it. They have no respect. They have no respect to the state government. They have no respect to the state. They have no respect to the officers of the collectors, office of the chiefs. How did you believe the collector tomorrow? Who will protect you? We are protecting you. You may say so many things. They have found 1,500 crores worth of gold, so many things, so many things. That is a different story. I am just telling you what has happened. And my daughter-in-law was in the advanced stage of pregnancy in Ramachandra Hospital. My son was there. They pulled him out. And they put some people around my daughter-in-law's room. And they pulled him out. At gunpoint, CRPF entered my house. You know, you have seen. All of you have seen CRPF entering my other door. And up there. You all see, you are all recording. It is there on your files. They have entered my house. They have entered my son's house in gunpoint. They showed the guns. What did I do? I don't know. I may be a big hurdle to many forces. They may be thinking he is a hardcore man. He will abide what Madam Jayalalitha has told. He will abide by that. I don't know. These are the facts. Now you raise questions, I will answer.
You mean to say that the central government you mean to say that central government was trying to get the state government secrets?
Are you being targeted?
Sir,
Are you saying that you are being targeted?
I am being targeted. I have fear. My life is in danger. I don't know what forces.
Why are you being targeted?
I don't know. I don't know.
Sir, you think central government is trying to get the state government files after demise of Jayalalitha?
What is your link with Shekhar Reddy?
I have no links with Shekhar Reddy. I have no business links. I have thousands and thousands of friends in Tamil Nadu. Start from Ramnath to everywhere. You go and ask anybody. My house is open. Many of you would have come to me. I would have helped many people. I have nothing to do with Shekhar Reddy. I have nothing to do with his business. I have not held any positions where I sign, excepting this Chief Secretary, and he has nothing to do with any government business. I have not seen his papers. Wait, I am telling you, boss. I am telling you, I have nothing to do with him. He may be a businessman, he may be known to me. That does not mean many of the people known to me. I am Chief Secretary. I have been in Tamil Nadu for the last 31 years. I know many people. I have held many positions in both governments.
But sir, he was getting sand mining contract.
How did he get sand mining? What are you talking? That is PWD department. I am not. Wait.
You called Shekhar Reddy on the day when CM Jayalalitha died.
Is that true? He made a phone call to Shekhar
You
Reddy.
made a phone call to him.
Did you see?
I haven't seen, sir. Newspapers have reported that.
Did newspapers see that? Has anybody seen any of the notes, any of the call records? Many people call me. Madam is dead. Many people wanted to know. How do I know who has called me, who has not called me? I am chief secretary. Hundreds of people call me. Hundreds of people give me extraordinary information. I get lot of market information from the market. That is how I run the state. Did you find any mistake in these 7 months? I have been following Madam's footsteps. I have been telling, I have followed whatever she has said. In this state, in the absence of Madam, there is no security.
திரும்ப வந்து ஜெயலலிதா மேடம் இருந்தாங்க ரைட் நடந்திருக்கான்னு சொல்றீங்க சார் திரும்ப வந்து ஜெயலலிதா மேடம் இருந்தா ரைட் நடந்திருக்காங்க எல்லா நேரத்துல மத்திய அரசு அவங்க இந்த சூழ்நிலையை பயன்படுத்தி தமிழக அரசு வந்து கட்டுக்கொள்
சிஆர்பிஎஃப் என்னத்துக்கு வந்தாங்க சொல்லுங்க.
சார் இது குறித்து வந்து சார் எஸ்ஆர்பி வந்து இது வரைக்கும் சார் எஸ்ஆர்பி கண்டனம் தெரிவிச்சிருக்காரு.
நான் ஒத்துக்கலையா? நீங்க கன் பாயிண்ட் 10 பேர் வந்து துப்பாக்கி காட்ட சிஆர்பிஎஃப் நீங்க என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? நீங்க என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க பிரதர்?
இது வரைக்கும்
நீங்க என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? பாத்தீங்கல்ல சிஆர்பிஎஃப் வந்து எத்தனை பேர் சிஆர்பிஎஃப் இங்க சுத்தினாங்க?
எஸ்ஆர்பி வந்து கண்டனம் தெரிவிச்சிருக்காரு. இது வரைக்கும் திரு ஓ பன்னீர்செல்வம் வந்து அவர் வந்து இது வரைக்கும் கண்டனம் தெரிவிக்கல.
அதாவது
தமிழக முதல்வர் இது வரைக்கும் கண்டனம் தெரிவிக்கல.
அதாவது
திரு பன்னீர்செல்வம் அவர் வந்து இது வரைக்கும் கண்டனத்தை பதிவு பண்ணல. அதிமுக நாடாளுமன்ற மாநில உறுப்பினர் பதிவு பண்ணிருக்காங்க. அது குறித்து என்ன
Raised by the state government or the chief minister. The question that you are raising is not being raised by the state government or the chief minister. What do you think is the reason for that?
I am a simple man today. I wanted to tell you what has been found, how these things have happened. Because all of you know, for the last 5-6 years, many people have been saying many things. I wanted to make myself clear. This is the purpose of this meeting. Thank you very much.
Are you clearing the duty by the CBI?
My life is in danger. My life is in danger. Search warrant illa thambi. Where is the summon? Where is the CBI? How can the CBI enter my house? What the hell they can do with me?
Your son got crores of government contracts, sir.
My son has no business with government. I will tell you.
Sir, excuse me.
My son is HRD. My son is in transport. He has nothing to do with government. You show me one paper. You show me
Sir, your brother has signed
as a witness. Neighbor boss.
Sir, your brother was danger.
Witness, not surety. Witness. Neighbor asked பண்ண கூப்பிட்டா கேட்டா neighbor கேட்ட witness கையெழுத்து போட மாட்டீங்களா? இது neighboring office.
மத்திய
IT says that he agreed to have
Gun point. Yes. He has retracted. நீங்க பாத்திருக்கீங்க. You have seen my people entering my son's house with guns. I don't know. I am not. Wait. I will answer all your questions. I will answer all your questions. Don't worry. I am going to the people's court. மக்களுக்கு தெரியும். மக்கள் என்ன நினைக்கிறாங்களோ தெரியும். மக்களுக்கு இந்த தமிழ்நாட்டில் அம்மா இல்லாத சூழ்நிலை என்ன நடந்திருக்கோ அவங்களுக்கு தெரியும். I have served the people. I will continue to serve the people. That's all.